Are you ready for a wild ride? Get ready because this is going to really take you weird places. So I'm going to start off with this styling mousse from Rockstyle Cosmetics. I always use this whenever I blow up my hair, which is a very rare case, but it gives really nice hold and body to the hair. So then I'm going to take the blow dryer and just aimlessly blow it at my roots and at my hair until it's about 80 to 90% dry. This is so boring to me and so tedious. So I did cut out a lot of it, but I do want to keep it in here just in case you're doing your hair at home and you don't know what 80 to 90% looks like. It takes a while to get there. You're better off just like towel drying your hair for a while, maybe even doing your makeup and then coming back to it later, find your outfit, do all the things, and then come back to it later. I mean, I'm trying to take up time by talking right now and it's not helping. This is way too long. Once we're at about 80 to 90% dry, I am going to take a round brush and I am going to start blow drying my hair. I thought that we'd be at that point already, but we're not. I'm still just aimlessly blow drying it. All right, here we go. Round brush. So you're going to just, you don't have to do a single thing I say in this video because I have no idea where this is going. And at the end, I'm not even sure I ever found it. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to not aimlessly. Nope, we're done with that part. I'm going to blow dry it forward and then flip it back. It's really irrelevant how I blow dry it because I do go in with the iron in a little bit, but this was what I was doing. So I was just trying to get it as dry as possible so that when I do put the iron on it, it doesn't burn my hair. My hair is naturally curly. It's also pretty short at this point, and so I am pretty limited on what I can do. So if you're just going through the grow out stage and you're like, I hate the way my hair looks, you're not alone. It's hard. I mean, if you want to look like Justin Bieber, stop right here. You will look like Justin Bieber when he first came on the scene. I don't even know a single one of his songs, but this was that hairstyle. I think it is might still be a popular hairstyle. So if you have a kid at home that wants this hairstyle, this is how you get it. I hope that this helps. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go back to aimlessly blow drying the back because I'm too lazy to go in with the brush when my hair is so wet. And then I'm going to just start curling the pieces down towards my neck. I have really long neck hair, so you don't have to comment on that. I know it's hereditary. My neck hair is long. How dare I? Anyway, I'm just going to keep going through and blow drying my hair just to get it as dry as possible, blah, blah, blah. I really should have cut more of this out, but I like to show you guys how boring this stuff is. I used to do this for a living. Can you believe it? Okay. Now I'm going to aimlessly blow dry my hair again. At this point, I'm completely done with the brush, but I'm just blow drying it just to make sure my roots are dry, just to make sure my hair is dry. And if you blow dry it like this, you're going to continue to like get body in your hair. By the end of this video, I have zero body in my hair because I iron the crap out of it. But if you want body in your hair, don't iron it and just keep blow drying those roots up. That is a key point. It looks like I'm wearing a bowl on my head at this point. The best part is my husband and I were getting ready to go out to dinner and I was panicking during most of this video because I didn't know what I was doing with my hair. Is this the part where I start looking like an Oompa Loompa? Did we pass that part? Did I look like an Oompa Loompa already? If you wanted Oompa Loompa, that was the hairstyle. What I was just showing you guys was also the hairstyle. Okay, so now we're going to go, at this point, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to actually pull some of this back. And then I was like, it's actually too short for that. Not a piece of it goes back. And now I look like I'm wearing a toupee. Nothing wrong with wearing a toupee. Now I'm looking for God for answers. I don't know what is going on in this video, but I am straight up panicking. Okay, this is when I'm like, I'm going to take out the iron and do something. I'm going to do something. What? I don't know. Somebody send me answers because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to just completely mask my panic by giving myself really crappy sections and pretending that I know what I'm doing because at this point I have no idea. We're going to go in with the iron, and at first I decided to go completely straight. And as soon as I did that, I was like, I don't look good with straight hair. It's just not a look for me. It's never been a look for me. And it's also like sticking out and looking wild. So I was like, I'm actually going to do like a little bit of a wave in it. So if you're looking for a wave tutorial for your hair, look no further, folks. We got the Oompa Loompas. We got the wave tutorial. We got it all here. We got the Justin Bieber. I am your one-stop shop for all your hair needs. No, but seriously, I am just going to keep on going through and just waving my hair. I just like it that it has like a little bit more body to it than just a regular straight hair. And I just feel like my hair is too short to be putting in like artificial curls at this point, especially that I just spent so much tedious, annoying time blow drying it. Very annoying. Okay, my bangs are also like too short at this point to even do anything with, so they're quite annoying as well. And of course, everything we do to one side, we're going to do to the other, but does it really matter? Because we don't know where this hairstyle is going yet. and it's painful. It's honestly painful. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to keep taking these pieces and this is how you do it. You just go twist under, twist over, and that's how you get like a little bit of a wave in your hair. I feel like Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen were like the starters of this. And that was like many years ago when I was in their fan club. Yeah, I was in their fan club. Anyway, I don't care what the back of my hair looks like. I never do. So I just gave you guys a ducktail if you saw it. Yeah, rewind that so you can see the ducktail. I'll give you guys another peek at it pretty soon because it's embarrassing enough to just keep putting in. Look at that dome, though, that forehead. It's crazy. I'm just going to keep sectioning my hair and pretend that I have any idea what I'm doing because I didn't know what I was doing with this hairstyle. I just had no plans for it, no goal for it, no nothing. I just knew my husband and I were going on a date and I had to do something. None of this was probably the something I should have done, but I tried. I really did. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my ducktail. I want to really just accentuate it. So we're just going to iron it so that it's extra ducktaily because that's a look. And I'm just going to continue to go through my hair and, just kind of wave it. I feel like it was my best option at this point. I don't know. And then at the top, I was like, I don't want to wave this hair because I don't like when I don't have volume on top. So I started curling it. Was that the right decision? Absolutely not. It made no sense with the rest of the hairstyle. I don't know what why would I curl this? Why would I curl this? And why is it parted so far on the side? Like, what was I doing? Not the product's fault. Great product. Great product. It's literally just me having no idea what I'm doing with my hair at this point. So I'm going to curl this and this piece just looks absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so now we're brushing it out. I'm literally going through it with my hands and I'm brushing everything out. If you're looking for like a Keith Urban hairstyle, I got you. This is a tutorial for you because that's what that was. So what I decided to do was pin my hair up and just do my makeup. And then when I took my hair out, this is literally what it looked like. So somebody said it looked like Michael Jackson. Thanks so much. Bye.